Hello viewer, we are going to generate the designs and made a radical there and also use the horizontal elliptical shape we will have for the designs. So we will create the designs there, then create the other one, keep on making until we have some sequence in front of us. So we will use the pen tool on these shapes here. So there is a shape. We will again make a big elliptical shape on it and then use the pen tool on this area. So that's it.